Hello, this is iMobi. The following video will help you how to use DroidKit to transfer videos. First, open the software and click Data Manager. Click Device Manager and click Start to start connecting the device. Click Start, and then you can see your device data. Click Video. Browse the videos. The buttons here are Refresh, Delete, Add to Device. After find the video you want to transfer. Then click Transfer to Computer. If it is the first time to transfer, the software will automatically pop up a window for you to set the file format. Click here if you won't be prompted again next time. Then click Continue. After the transfer is complete, we can click View Files to view the transferred videos. Now let's check the video we just transferred.